Imagine you are a young boy in Jalandhar, Punjab. Your plan is simple: study engineering and get a good job. Cricket? That is just something you watch on TV. But then, something magical happens. India wins the Cricket World Cup in 2011. You watch Dhoni lift that trophy, and something inside you changes completely. You think, I want to play cricket. And so, at the age of 18, Raghu Sharma picks up a cricket ball, much later than most players start. Raghu starts as a fast bowler. He is running and bowling with full speed. But then, bad luck. He gets a hamstring injury. His fast bowling days are over. But Raghu does not cry and go home. One day in the nets, a famous cricketer named Madan Lal watches him and gives one simple piece of advice: try leg spin. Raghu listens. He starts practicing the googly, a tricky spinning ball that confuses even good batters. Slowly, he becomes very good at it. Raghu has played domestic cricket for many years, in Punjab, in Puducherry, in Sri Lanka, and even in England. He travels far and works hard. But the IPL, the biggest cricket league in the world, never calls his name. Not at 25. Not at 28. Not at 30. He even works as a net bowler for Mumbai Indians. Which means he helps the big stars practice. He bowls to them, but he himself does not get to play. Can you imagine how that must feel? On 2nd May 2026, just yesterday, Mumbai Indians were playing against Chennai Super Kings at the famous Chepauk Stadium. It was a must-win match. And Captain Hardik Pandya did something special. He walked up to Raghu Sharma and handed him the Mumbai Indians cap. At 33 years old, after 15 years of hard work, Raghu finally got his IPL debut. The whole crowd and the whole country went, "Who is this man? What a journey!" Raghu Sharma's story is not just about cricket. It is about life. Most people give up when things are hard. Raghu did not. He was rejected many times, he was injured, he watched others get famous while he waited. But he kept going. His idol is Shane Warne, the greatest leg spinner of all time. And now, Raghu himself is making people smile. His story tells us one simple thing: it is never too late to follow your dream.